my viewers. Today we are going to start learning HTML, and we are going to start with my first HTML document. So in this case, you start with the HTML tag. We are going to do this. We come declare our first HTML, as you can see on the screen. That is the opening tag. Opening tag, that is HTML. That is the opening tag for HTML. Then the next thing that goes on, it is the visible part of the HTML, which is the body. We're going to declare our body tag, that is body. But after the body, then you start with the heading section. That is heading 1 section. Then after the heading 1 section, write my first heading, my first heading. Then you close the first heading section. After that, you go to the paragraph part. Paragraph is spelled by P. Then we write our paragraph. Our paragraph will be our first paragraph, that is my first paragraph. Then we close the paragraph. Then after that, because it is a simple basic HTML page, we close the body part. Then after that, close HTML. My viewers, whatever we've been writing, when you come to the view part, you can see my first heading, which is this one. It is the one we wrote here, my first heading. Then my first paragraph. Under my viewers, this is a simple, basic HTML page we've just created. Thank you so much, and God bless you as you continue learning HTML. Thank you.